I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon dill vinaigrette potato salad with feta cheese. Now, one of the beautiful things about making potato salads is you can really do whatever you want with it. And this particular riff on a potato salad uses some light Mediterranean flavors, which is the dill, the lemon, and the feta. It's kind of a Greek potato salad. So here I have some red potatoes, and I have chopped them into bite-sized pieces. Cook them for just about 5 minutes. It's long enough to heat them through, but not long enough to make them mushy. I'm going to crumble in a little bit of feta cheese. I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice. I'm going to use some fresh dill as well, which really elevates the potato salad. Just a little bit of salt. And for the vinaigrette, I'm going to use some olive oil and some red wine vinegar. And there you have a lemon dill vinaigrette potato salad with feta.